What's happening, automotive detailing pandas? Peter from Panda here. Microfiber applicator pads. I've just picked these up. This is a pack of, looks like 6 of them, and what's that? They're ready to ship, baby. And I just wanted to kind of show you these because they weren't expensive, but I kind of wanted to try out microfiber applicators. So, whether you have, the McGuire's wax like I use, or paint sealant, that kind of thing, you just put it on here and then you can wipe it on a car. And I just kind of wanted to quick compare them to this Auto Accessories Rundong kind of foam applicators. And this is what I generally use, and I kind of wanted to tell you what I think are some of the differences. So obviously, there's a pretty big size difference. This is literally I'm holding them side by side here so you can see how big they are. So if you want a bigger working area, you certainly can have that. The other thing I will show you here is that it's kind of more, it's not really centered. The seam is actually kind of up here closer to the top. And so, it just kind of dipped down. It's not super exact, but you can kind of get a nice big surface area. You don't have to worry about the seam kind of touching the paint work. It's a nice terry cloth material. And basically, I've always used these, and what you get with this is a really nice, smooth, even application. And I really do like these, but you kind of have to drench them with the wax, but you get to be able to kind of just drag it and swirl it in, kind of rub in the wax, the polish, the sealant, whatever, in a nice, even way. So these are really nice for that, and I haven't had any problem scratching like the surface. But I think the terry cloth is going to be a little softer. You won't have to worry about that as much. I'm worried a little bit about kind of getting a nice, even application, kind of as smooth as this does. But it's just going to be a little bit different. I really do like this microfiber. I think not only could you apply it, but then you can also grab this and use it to wipe things off. So a lot of times we'll just take those terry cloth microfiber towels and kind of wipe it down. But here, I think it's just going to be easier to grab this thing and use these as removal tools as well. So I just wanted to show them to you because I think, this might actually help you when you're doing your own detailing to apply in a way that you're not gonna have to worry about scratching, adding micro scratches to your paint, as well as removing it. That's gonna be easier than using, a microfiber towel. So check it out. I'll put a link to it in the description if you want to pick up a set. Peter Von Panda out.